Y'all got any lever pulse units?
No, should we go get some?
Yeah, I need 2.
Alright, what map do we want to go on, guys?
Still have a quest for Blue Ridge.
Okay.
Bearing clearing. Blue Gate.
Alright, here we go, here we go. We need to go to, what was the place again?
Bearing clearing.
Ah, wow, that's far away.
I need to kill leapers.
Oh, you're one?
That's yeah. Oh shit. We need to get in cover.
Oh fuck!
It hates fire. I've got a blaze grenade. Damn, he jumped over it. Ooh.
Getting shot at, getting shot at, getting shot at.
There, by the house.
Oh, they throwing nades?
Nades in. I'll just bail.
Bro, did you get your pulse units?
I got one. I got shot. I think they're getting third party.
Crack the guy on the window.
I'm rotating around.
By the house. Up there.
Leaving everyone.
Up there.
God, I wish I had a nade to launch in there.
In the house.
Right here, right in front of us.
By the house.
Oh, they got two teams here, by the way.
Knocked one. Third coming in.
By the house.
Knocked another.
Careful, be careful.
He's coming in
Come
on
on,
you, Matthew.
By the house.
Knocked. Cover me. Get right, Virgin.
Down on the backside.
Matthew, don't loot yet. Don't loot yet, Matthew.
So
I'm not.
bad.
I'm knocking him out. Yeah, he's scared.
Where's
Here he
Matt?
comes.
He's right here.
Taking great pleasure in this.
Did we get both of them there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all dead. Easy. Woo! Oh, yes. Let's go.
Another guy coming in. Guy coming in.
Out
From
there.
that side. A team? It's two?
Yep, he's blasting me.
He's coming in. Broke his shield.
Knocked one.
Over there,
Okay.
too.
No what? Nope.
There's still another one in here. Oh, I think he went down in that tunnel.
Getting shot.
Yep, he's in the tunnel. And there's another one too. Rotating around.
He's in on me. In on me. He's in on me.
I'm caught out in the open. Ah,
Alright, we got one. He's still up here. He's still up here.
I have no help, Tony. Tell me somehow. Get him. Pick me up. Pick me up.
weak. Get wrecked, noob.
Woo. Nice shield.
That was crazy. Holy shit.
Dude, that was so much PvP right there.
I sweated so hard. Flame spray.
I have a broken shield. I don't.
No, all their shields are broken. You took so much damage.
My shield's fucking broken.
Yeah, because you took a bunch of damage.
Where's the loadout?
Did y'all kill the rat that was stuck in the tunnel?
I didn't go to the
Last.
tunnel.
Just aggro to leaper?
I need health. Anyone got health? What the fuck?
Hey, watch out, leaper.
I'm dropping a bandage and a shield recharger on me.
Is it possible to make this jump?
Did you get it, Grady? It's right here.
Shield recharge. Over here.
On the shield.
No, there's a freaking health. Herbal bandage.
Purple bandage.
Oh shit!
Got 20 dead guys right here. The thing's still leaving around.
Yeah.
Down there.
Watch out, Tony.
We're good, we're good.
Bro, this poor thing. Feel bad for it. He's in there!
Let's go.
With that second cell.
Got it.
And we killed the entire lobby.
What? I love this little area of the map too. It's perfect for these little firefights. Reminds me of like World War II in Germany.
They're all 3 loadout people.
We got some art coming in.
A hornet. The Overlook air shaft.
We got a quest to do.
What? Oh. Reach the bearing, clearing. We could leave and come back. We're cool.
Yeah, I'm super
Alright.
cool.
Right on top of us. Let's get out of here. This guy has fruit if anybody needs fruit.
What kind of fruit? All of
All of them.
Actually, I'm not even sure if any of y'all, but I got some.
That's the thing. Once you start out with that free loadout, you just build off it. You play with house money.
Magnetic dam protocol stand clear.
Oh.
Dam is activated. Kinetic lock on the way. Stand by.
Alright, calling it in.
Esperanza.
I'm in.
That was a mega dam run right there.
Woo!
From the leapers to those dudes.
Unbelievable. Two
There's
leapers,
so many
right?
dudes.
2 leapers, yep. Found an arc. Let's see what these numbers are here. Player interactions.
I didn't even realize that.
Oh, I went crazy with the Anvil. Oh.
I think Amble's the best gun in the game.
Oh yeah.
It's like the most reliable, too.
Damaged Raider 2.4K.
Yeah, that was a mega dam run.
Damaged Arc 4.5K. Yeah. 20K XP there.
You got mega materials from it, too.
I guess I can make snap